Hi guys, so I have taken part A and part B, 5 grams, and I'm going to mix this for like around a minute or two. Mix it thoroughly. So I'm just going to make a sample mold for you guys to understand. So I have taken this resin seahorse and I have stuck this with the double side tape on this cap, so the piece doesn't move. I'm just going to leave this for like 2 minutes so the bubbles goes out. Bubbles are removed. You can tap the bottom of this so the bubbles rises up and it pops off. If you find more bubbles, you can just prick it through toothpick or a pin. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it on this. Pour it on top of the piece so you cover all the details of that piece. So I have poured total 10 ml for this, and you can tap it little so the bubbles arises and pops out. Now I'm leave it for 5 to 6 hours to cure, and then let's see how it turns out. Hi friends, so today I will it's been more than 8 hours now. I'm going to remove this and see now. So this has come out very beautiful now. See if you can see there is very fine details on this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this extra. So I have cut the extra edges. Anyways, this doesn't bother us in your piece. So if you see there is fine details and it is very flexible. Yeah, I hope this video help you all guys. Bye.